The Traxxas lineup of exciting and capable High Trail TRX4 models is expanding with the all-new 1979 Ford F-150 truck. Sporting top-of-the-line Ranger XLT trim, the Ford F-150 High Trail is equipped with a factory-installed, long-arm lift kit and stands over an inch taller than the standard height TRX4. Its black roll bar, chrome light housings, longer wheelbase, and slotted aluminum finish mags, complete with the authentic, period-correct look. The exceptional all-terrain capability, smooth-running drivetrain, and the Traxxas-Tough durability drivers expect from the TRX4 are all there. But wait, should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReview.com. Watch till the end as we count down the Ford F-150 High Trail Edition's top 8 trail features that makes this the best true-to-scale crawler of all time. Watch out for a link in the video to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. RCReview.com. Watch before you buy. Let's get into the top 8 trail features of the F-150 High Trail Edition. Number 8. Remote transmission. Why carry your crawler down the trail when you can drive? The TRX4 F-150 features a high-speed gear to get you to your next crawling challenge quickly. When you get there, flip the rocker switch on your transmitter to engage low range and conquer tough terrain with exceptional torque. Operate the 2-speed transmission and T-lock diffs with a touch, and activate cruise control to hold the throttle for long-haul comfort. It's all built into the TQI transmitter. You can even customize settings via smartphone with the 6511 wireless module, sold separately by Traxxas. Number 7. Clipless body mounting. The F-150's clipless body mounts hold tight on the trail, but releases in seconds to access the battery and electronics. This invisible quick-release system secures the body without compromising its clean lines, with body posts and clips. The heavy-duty clipless body mounts integrate into the rugged inner fenders to form a vice-like grip to hold the body securely in place on tough trails. When it's time to release the body, simply reach under the fender and pull the tabs. It's that easy. Support our work. Like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades first. Number 6. Ladder frame chassis. A thick, 1.5mm heavy-duty, extended steel ladder frame chassis with molded cross members provide exceptional torsional rigidity to resist even the worst chassis twisting articulation. This extremely rigid backbone lets the suspension do the work it was designed to do. You'll feel the difference on trails where the elimination of chassis flex and extended wheelbase allows for precise wheel placement when navigating technical terrain. Number 5. Portal axles. The TRX4's radical portal axle design raises the drive shafts higher to improve axle geometry and reduce drive shaft angles. The portal axles work in tandem with the long-arm lift kit to lift the truck for huge center ground clearance. With over 2 inches of clearance under the center pumpkin, the F-150 High Trail Edition climbs over obstacles that would snag other trucks. Higher drive shafts and suspension links pass over obstacles to avoid high centering your truck and reduce overall grinding wear. On conventional rigs with a limited gear reduction in the differentials, motor torque is applied to the frame to the point of twisting you right off the rocks. The TRX4's portal axle design reduces the gear ratio at the wheels, virtually eliminating torque twist through the chassis, keeping the TRX4 straight and on course always. Watch till the end for a link to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. Number 4. Lift kit. The factory-installed long-armed lift kit on the Ford F-150 includes extended GTS aluminum shocks, longer links and rod ends, extended drive shafts, T-lock cables, and a new servo mount. The lift kit and oversized tires add over an inch of trail-conquering ground clearance to the F-150. The extended 110mm GTS shocks deliver silky smooth damping performance with greater wheel articulation for increased off-road capability. The lift kit works as one coherent system, not only to raise the truck, but also to maintain the TRX4's carefully tuned suspension geometry. Number 3. T-lock remote locking differentials. Traxxas gives you complete control over the front and rear differentials to suit your exact driving needs. Leave the differentials unlocked for relaxed driving on the trail. When the trail gets technical, lock the front and rear differentials, or just the front differential, for superior pull and grip over extreme terrain. Sleeved micro cables control the differential action for scale appearance, without limiting the huge suspension articulation. The T-lock diffs are controlled remotely from the TQI transmitter for uninterrupted true-to-scale performance on the trail. Let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 2. Scale detail. The F150 High Trail Edition features a beautifully crafted scale body, with precision molded details for a whole new level of realism. It comes ready to make a splash on the trail, with its bright chrome bumpers and side trim with side marker lenses. The authentic roll bar, slotted mag wheels, side mirrors, and windshield wipers provide the perfect scale touches. The rugged twin-tube roll bar with replica lights gives the classic F150 a tough, menacing stance. A highly detailed two-tone grille combines with bright chrome wipers and door handles for maximum visual impact. Even the matte silver mag wheels are accurate down to the smallest detail. Classic style meets modern technology underneath the F150, with realistic mirror chrome differential covers. These polished details take the scale look of the front and rear portal axles to the next level. Number 1. Pro Scale Lighting Kit. The best part about the F150 is it comes ready to accept fully functional roll bar lights, headlights, tail lights, and side markers to take the scale realism of this rig to the next level. You will need to install the optional 8035R LED light kit used on the TRX-4 1979 Ford Bronco and the 9263 LED light bar sold separately by Traxxas. The LED light upgrade to the roll bar is a must to bring the F150 to its own. The Pro Scale Advanced Lighting Control System adds fully functional headlights, brake and reverse lights, turn signals, multiple driving modes, and much more to your TRX4. Fully waterproof and built Traxxas-Tough, the LED light kit is ready for your wildest RC crawling adventures. So now that you know the top 8 trail features of the F150 High Trail Edition, should you buy it? With its remote transmission, clipless body mounting, ladder frame chassis, portal axles, lift kit, T-lock remote locking differentials, scale detail, and most importantly, its ability to accept pro scale lighting to the roll bar, make the F150 the best true-to-scale crawler of all time. So, if you haven't already, rush to get your F150 High Trail Edition today. If you've liked this video and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Visit rcreview.com/win to win your free RC, only for our first 1,000 subscribers. So now that you know the F150 High Trail Edition's top 8 trail features, click below to know about the latest Team Low CJ RXT and its special fiberglass chassis.